G'day guys and girls, how are yous? Another vlog here finally after me not posting for a while just because of lockdown and not being able to go anywhere. Finally an exciting day. I had some parts turn up which I've been waiting for a long time. It's taken a long time to get these. So it was, well, yesterday and today's job. I did a full detail of this. I did a ceramic coat and I've cleaned the inside, wiped it all down. Did a headlight sort of refurbishment again. They've come up a bit better. But to today's exciting news of those parts that I got, I thought I was only going to have 3 turn up, but I'm glad 4 turned up because the tracking numbers weren't quite right. So here we have 4 identical boxes from Two Step Garage. They're in Melbourne, so I contacted them and had them send me some nice parts. Alrighty, time for the unboxing. Heaps excited. I have no idea what these are going to look like, so my first look at them will be your first look at them too. So I've got my trusty blade. Be careful with that. And we'll see what we've got in here. I'm really excited to see if these fit or not. I think they're going to be quite aggressive. Alright, a little plastic bag, a nice cloth. Oh, I can start to see them already. This is too exciting. Woo, look at that. That bronze with the matte finish and then the shiny finish on the outside. That's too good. I always wanted bronze wheels on this car. Nice. Alright, time for a test fit. See how they go. Hopefully they clear the brakes and whatnot and don't have too much offset for me. They clear everything without the spacer on. They have a bit of poke, which I thought they would. Hopefully once I lower it, it's going to go tuck up in the guard a bit more with the camber and might have to get some stretchy tyres and get them to fit that way. But so far they look sick. That looks so good. I'm glad they clear the brakes and everything. I'll have to work out with the poke if I need to get more camber and tuck them in and under, but I think I'll just get stretch tyres for now. But they're going to look amazing. Can't wait. Until I get some tyres fitted, it's going to be a week. That's sitting down on wood. I'm going to take the back off and do the same, so I have like one side done and I can see what it looks like. Just to mention too, the guys at Two Step Garage were so helpful. They're easy to message. They replied instantly. So if you guys are looking for some wheels, look them up on their site. I'll put a link in my bio under the video. And to my delight as well, when I open up the second box, get some nice TSG caps just to dress it up a bit more. Garage sticker, so that's their name, Two Step Garage. And gave me some Mentos, which I could really do with one right now. Been in the garage all day. Pretty keen to stick these on. I reckon they'll just dress it up a little bit more than just the black center cap that's bare. But I still can't get over how good this is going to look. I just want to get tyres on it and go for cruises and show it off. It's going to be so good. Alrighty, it's another day. I can finally leave the house and get out of this isolation I've been in. I've got the wheels in the back, going straight to my mate's place to get some tyres fitted. I'm keen as, I've got up heaps early. It's just gone 7, he opens up at 8, so I'm going straight there. I can't wait. It feels so good to drive. Haven't drove in weeks. I've made it to the tyre shop. Mate's not here yet. I'm a little bit early. Well, I'm right on time, but he's probably just not here yet. So I'm at Blair's Tyres in Marilla. That's where he works. So yeah, hopefully he turns up soon. I'll have a chat and get some tyres fitted. It's on the lift, getting done. Get these ones off and see what tyres can fit on it. What a gorgeous day. Alrighty, we've got one on. I think it's a 245/45. It's a little bit big. It hits on some of the body, which isn't too bad. I could cut it out, but just going to try a smaller tyre. See how that goes. Yeah, so when I turn, there's a little fin here. It's been hit before by the previous owner, but with bumps and stuff I might hit into the body a bit more than what I like. So we'll go for a smaller tyre, see how that goes. Thank you, Two-Step Garage. Looks awesome. So yeah, we end up going a 235/40 tyre. So we got a slight bit of poke, but with the guard pumped out a bit from the previous owner, it kind of sits just inside with the camber. So hopefully that keeps me out of trouble. But clearance, I've got no scrubbing. Maybe on the larger bumps it might hit, but that'll probably be on full lock. But it looks beautiful. Thank you, Two-Step Garage. Oh, it looks even so much better walking up to it now it's parked. How good is that? Alrighty, it's packed away. I ended up putting the center caps on. There's a lovely TSG. Thanks to them again. I took it for a drive. I've actually lowered it 15 mil all around because I don't know, the car seemed to sit up slightly higher. I don't know what's changed. The rim size and the tire profile hasn't increased at all. Maybe it's just because it's fresh tread, but yeah, I just wanted to drop it to see what happened, and it's clear in the driveway, so that's a win. Looks sick. Can't wait to cruise with some mates and show it off. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's been a really good video for me to make because it's something that just changes the car so much, and it looks like a whole new car. So yeah, I'm keen to get out there and drive it and show it off. I've already had a few people see me on the highway and through drive-throughs and stuff and comment. So just some wheels makes a big difference. I never used to get like sort of talked to or commented on as much as I did over the last couple of days that I've been driving it. So I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you haven't subscribed, hit that button, give me a like, make a comment. Catch you next time.